Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you Moral Science of class UKG and the topic name is God made things. God, God, MADE made, THINGS things. God made things. My dear students, today I am going to explain you that which thing we say the God made things. So things that are made by God. We say God made things. Natural things like sun, moon. Have you seen sun in the sky? Sun is made by God. Sun gives us light, energy, and the moon is also made by God. You, who has made you? God has made you. Who has made me? God has made me. So, my dear students, that thing you can see the natural things. These all are God made things. In this world, only two types of things you can find. The first, God made things, and the second, man made things. So, things that are created by man, that are made by man, we say man made thing. Like just now, I am using mobile phone. This is a man made thing. Yes, in this room, fan is there. This is a man made thing. Yes, in my hand, you can see the bangle is this. This is a man made thing. So, this clothes I wore that. This is man made thing. So, my dear, whatever things that is made by man, we say man made thing. So, I have explained you very nicely that what is the God made things and which things we say the man made things. But now I am going to explain you that how to draw the picture of God made thing. So, the first is, see, this is tree, TREE, tree. Tree is made by God. This is it gives us shade. It gives us oxygen. With the help of oxygen, we can breathe. Due to tree, that in the whole world, there is a balance of rain and the air, oxygen. So, my dear students, now I am going to draw the tree picture. You can see how to draw. You will have to draw the tree picture. See, you can draw like this. Yes, like this you will draw tree picture. Understood? And then you fill the color. Again, I am going to show you how to draw. You can see. Yes, this is tree. First you will draw and after that you will fill color. Understood, my dear? Now I am going to show you the tree picture. Yes, see, this is a God made things. We can't make it. Only God can make. So this is a God made thing. Now I am going to show you another thing. Yes, this is sun. SUN, sun. Who has made the sun? God has made the sun. Sun is made by God. Sun gives us light, energy. This is the source of light on earth. Without sun, life can't exist on the earth. So, my dear students, you will draw the picture of sun. See how you will draw the picture of sun. Draw like this. just make the circle. You will draw, you will make the circle like this. This is the picture of sun. Like this you will draw. Again I am going to teach you how to draw the sun picture. You will make circle, like this, and the side you will give, show the light of the sun, and then you will feel color. This is a God made thing. Now I am going to show you the picture of the sun. See, this is the picture of sun. In the same way you will also try to draw the picture and feel the color. Now next thing I am going to show you, next God made object. Yes, this is moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Who has made the moon? God has made the moon. Moon is God made. Moon is also natural thing. Who has created moon? God has created the moon. So my dear students, you will try to draw the picture of moon like this. Half circle you will make, and then you will do like this. So like this you will try to draw the picture of moon, and the moon color is white. So you will leave like that. Now I would like to show you the moon picture. Yes, you can see this is the moon. Who has made moon? The God has made the moon. So my dear, moon is a God made thing. Now I am going to show you another thing. Yes, this is star. S-T-A-R, star. So who has made the star? God has made the star. At night time you can see in the sky lots of stars are twinkling. Yes, na? Who has created? Who has made? God has made. So I am going to show you how to draw the picture. Very simple. First you will make one triangle, and then you will try to draw one more in the opposite direction, one more triangle. Understood, my dear? See, like this. First you will make one triangle, and then one in the opposite direction. This is star. Like this you will draw, and you will feel the color in this. So my dear, who has made the star? God. Star is a God made thing. Now I am going to show you. Yes, this is the picture of star. First you will draw, and after that you will feel color. Now the next I am going to show you God made things. This is flower. F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. Who has made the flower, my dear students? God has made the flower. We can't make. Man cannot create the flower. Only God can make the flower. So the flower is a God made thing. You can see how we will draw the picture of the flower. Like this. We'll make small circle, and then like this you will do. You will also try to draw the picture like this, and then you will draw leaf. like this, and after that you will feel color. So this is the flower. In the same way you will also try to draw. One more time I am going to show you, like this. You will also try to draw the picture of flower, and then you will try to draw the leaf. After that you will feel color. Understood, my dear? So these all are God made things. In the same way you will also try to draw. Now I am going to show you this is the picture of flower. So my dear students, these all things are made by God. Thank you.